This is Ray and she's doing the cube.
I gotta mix it up first.
Let me mix it up. You hold the camera. Okay. This is Chelsea and I'm mixing it up.
And I'm Ray and I'm watching her mix it up.
She's about to solve it.
She can do it too, but I do it better more.
And I can do that 4x4.
I can do that too. See, look at that.
But
we might make another video. It might take a while, but we could do it right.
Okay, you ready, viewers?
Yeah. That's why I say that.
One.
Wait. Phone. Wait. Oh, my grandma. Hold on. Let me take this. Hello? Rachel? I'm making a video. Me doing the Rubik's Cube. Yeah, and you're in it. You're not in it. You're not in it, but it's gonna be me talking to you in it. Whatever we're talking about, I don't know. Good. Huh? Yeah.
Go.
Okay. Dad and them just make cookies and stuff. Yeah, they made peanut butter cookies and ice cream and stuff. They made like a sandwich. Yeah, no, it's like the dessert, cause yeah, we already ate. Like goulash. Daddy cooked it. Yep. There's like less noodles and a whole bunch of meat. They're good. They're still bad, but they're okay, I guess. School. Yep. Yeah, I actually got the jewelry box. It's like on my what's it called, Chelsea? A nightstand? Like that thing right there?
Nightstand.
Yeah, on my nightstand. Yep. Huh? Yep, I'm waiting. It got the big spot, a big empty spot waiting for it.
She's almost done.
I may use it. No.